Greetings, friends. As always, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. Yet again, I'm at my wheel balancer with another tip. How many times have you guys attempted to put on a small weight and hold it with your fingers and wind up banging the hell out of your finger? So I got a little tip to avoid this. What I do is I keep a little pick here at the wheel balancer. Now this comes in handy for two reasons. Every once in a while you come across a stone. Let me adjust the camera so you can see this. So every once in a while you come across a stone and you can use the pick to get it out of there. You don't want a bunch of stones on one side or the other messing up your balance. So I go around on my tires before I balance them and try to pick out some of the stones that are trapped if it's a used tire or a tire that's been on a car before. And it looks like I got all the heavy stones. Now a lot of them were in one section of the tire, so I could have thrown off our balance. So friends, another reason for having this little curved pick, and the main reason I'm making this video, is to show you how to use the pick to avoid smashing your fingers. Now every weight has a little hole. I don't know how well you can see it, but what you do is you place your little curved pick in that hole to hold it in place, thus avoid smashing your fingers. And I apologize for my shaking hand. I'm just turned 70. I'm a real old timer. So what you want to do is you want to have your hammer in a handy place. You can reach it easily. Then put the pick in your left hand, hold the weight in position with your right hand, and stick your little curved pick in that little hole and hold it in place, and grab your hammer, give it a good smash, and you can see how easy that was. I wasn't able to damage my fingers at all. So I know it's a silly little tip, but boy, it's a lot better than smashing the hell out of your finger. It's very painful. Another thing I want to show you, friends, before I go, I don't know how well you can see it. Let me put a light on it. This is a snow tire that I'm mounting, and most snow tires are directional. You can see the little arrow showing the direction the tire needs to turn. This means that this is direction the tire will turn when the car's going forward. So this tire here can only go on the passenger side. So if you're mounting or putting on your snow tires for the winter, pay attention to that. See if they've got a rotation direction stamped on the tire. So that's all I've got, friends. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I will post two videos to your left, of which I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.